My name is Morgan Goodlander, and I'm speaking to you from my hometown of San Francisco. I want to share with you my excitement for a new conference. It's called Leading Minds. And when I first heard that title, Leading Minds, I was super excited. I'm still excited about it because leading minds is it's what we really need right now. You know, we're facing some challenges as a species that we've never encountered before. And looking backward toward traditional answers or best practices and so forth, it's really just not enough. We need innovation, we need unique perspectives, and we need to crowdsource them. And that's one of the things, additional things that makes me excited about this conference is that there's going to be 300 presenters. Of course, there's going to be the thought leaders that are in the publishing industry and doing the lecture circuit and so forth that we are all interested in hearing from. In addition to that, there's going to be another, I don't know how many hundred presenters that are going to present really unique perspectives. Some of these perspectives we've never heard about. This kind of crowdsourcing and this kind of conference where we all come together to solve the problem is super, super exciting for me. There's going to be 4 stages, if I remember correctly. There's leadership, self-development, mental health, and family. 4 stages, over 300 presenters. That's about 100 presenters per stage. You can watch them at your leisure. They're going to be recorded, so you can attend the conference live, or you can watch them in the evenings before bed or during your lunch break or whenever you want. So it's super convenient, super informative, going to be very exciting. Perhaps one of the largest, certainly the largest thought leadership conference that's come out of Greece and perhaps all of Europe. Anyhow, I'm super excited. I'm going to be there. I hope you'll be there.